Hello, everybody. Welcome to the fifth video in the Stor.Guru Technical Users series. Today, we are going to be adding adding your first item to your account that you've created, and yeah, I'm pretty excited to get into it. So the first thing you'll need is your starter pack, the starter packs come with two different size labels in them. First, the quarter inch, 3/4 inch, I apologize, and then the 1.5 inch size, which is a little bit larger. These will be fully filled out when you get them. Obviously, I've been using these somewhat. So the first item that we are going to be doing is I have this shoebox here. It's just an empty shoebox, but I think the idea is going to be that we are getting this ready to go on a shelf in somewhere where we're going to be inventorying. So yeah, when you're ready, log in and get to the user page of your application. And so you make sure that you have your account showing up here. Again, like, you might need to refresh to get that to appear. I apologize. But we are working on that and should be fixed in the next release. So the next step is to, we're going to have to do is actually start, pick a spot on the actual item to place the QR code. And the way that I believe it works best, and we've been finding it's most useful, is make sure that it's in the most visible spot, and kind of imagine where it's going to sit on whatever shelf or wherever you're going to store it. So for me, well, also another good thing is that don't feel shy with putting multiple QR codes on a single item. There is a field on the item page to add multiple, so you can pretty much put that item on a shelf and hopefully have a QR code facing out towards you at all times. So I'm going to choose the 1.5 inch labels here for the shoebox. And I'm going to maybe move this down a little bit so you can kind of see what I'm doing. So this, I'll peel a nice label off here. These labels are pretty durable. They're made out of a polyester material. And I'm going to put that QR code hopefully pretty square. I want it to look somewhat nice. Make sure it's good on there. Cool. All right, so next you'll have your application, or get your phone again, your mobile device, and open up the scanner page, which should already be set up with your previous settings, but I'm going to have to actually go through it again. Here, perfect. All right. Continuous mode, and that should be, oops, let me turn the zoom on, or zoom down. All right, here we go. All right, so this should be good to go. We have the box here, and I'm going to hold it onto the QR code. And it's asking me to allow my device's location on my phone. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's probably reversed in the video. But yeah, make sure you allow that. Currently, we have location kind of built into the application as it's going to try and track your GPS location, so you know where you keep things, or so you know where things have been last seen in the application. So over time, I think we'll be able to kind of graph the GPS location of all the items in there. But coming back to the item, you now see that you have a brand new item. There's a toast message that popped up that said blank item, enter some data. So yeah, that basically just lets you know that there is some empty data in the application, a brand new item in the database for you to kind of enter some different identifying information on. And you also can see here at the bottom too is this is the QR code that was actually scanned, and it actually shows when you last scanned it and when it was first scanned. And also the green dot, that just goes to show if, or that shows if the QR code in the item has been synced with our databases, because the way that we've designed this application is to function offline as well, potentially in storage facilities or on your boat or RV, and you might not have the best cell service or Wi-Fi. So yeah, we're going to be working on more features that are available offline, and hopefully it's seamless between the two. But that green dot right there is just one indicator to make sure that your item data has been synced. So yeah, that's pretty much for this video. Join me next time so that we'll be able to enter some different item information and go through some of the good techniques to use when using Stor.Guru. So yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks again very much, and I am excited to see you in the next one. Bye.